My name is Shay. I work in the restaurant industry. I am a concept manager and I give Craftable a 5. We use Craftable in our everyday invoicing, inventory, pricing adjustments, maintaining our costing levels, as well as our online ordering for an intercompany commissary that we all utilize. What I like most about Craftable is it is very user-friendly. It's also portable. I can do my inventory on my phone, which makes it very easy for me to go to different locations in the restaurant and inventory items that are stored in different areas. I also like that I can do work at home. I am not tied to the restaurant to do my work. I can finish up inventorying. I can look at invoices, look at pricing and costing all at home. It's just very user friendly. The thing that I don't like is, and it's a very small thing, is I wish I had a little bit more training. Luckily, though, with that, it is actually very, very user friendly. So you're able to kind of find your way easily. They're very accessible with a chat and getting some online support. So, what they don't have maybe in an actual training class, you're able to find easily online or even find because everything is set up so user friendly.